Welcome to episode 12 of our branding series. Today we are going over Toys R Us.
Now facing a very grown-up problem, filing for bankruptcy and $5 billion in long-term debt as foot traffic slows down in its nearly 900 U.S. stores.
This is a challenge Toys R Us is having along with a lot of bricks and mortar. There's a lot of competition right now from the digital world.
The iconic store, Toys R Us, just filed for liquidation in bankruptcy court, which most likely means they're going to be closing all 735 remaining stores.
I'm going to miss Jeffrey the giraffe. I don't know about you, but I raised two kids in the 70s. We were in Toys R Us the whole time.
We have talked about how Amazon is the category killer, how online shopping has changed so much, but
all the category killers are gone. Why are they gone?
They didn't have $5 billion of debt. Is there something that they could have done?
So Toys R Us was actually started in 1948 by Charles Lazarus, and it was originally called Children's Discount Supermarket. It wasn't until 1967 they changed their name to Toys R Us. Over the years, like how they kind of started to bring in Jeffrey the giraffe and like how he was like the mascot for the brand, which is really cute and fun, especially for a kids brand. And Toys R Us really was more of the tagline that Jeffrey the giraffe would say.
When it comes to branding, it's so much more than just a logo. I think what a lot of brands don't understand is the importance of adapting to change. Things change, now there's social media. Even when I started, there was zero social media. That wasn't even a thing, and then there was MySpace, there's Facebook, there's Snapchat, all these different things that come and go. The minds of the audience has changed. The way we digest content, the way we view things, our mindsets are different.
Cause any 5 or 10-year-olds to break down into tears. Instead, it was their parents who were sad, feeling that they were losing a bit of their childhood nostalgia.
Toys R Us, when e-commerce started taking over, I don't think they prepared themselves knowing what Amazon will become.
In the 80s when I was a kid and I kind of sang along with the jingle and I'm like, good old days.
I grew up right down the road by Wilson Park, and this was my toy store.
According to reports, big box retailers like Walmart and Target stripped away a Toys R Us sales.
They didn't evolve with the economy, and the economy was really switching to online, e-commerce, and those type of things. To whereas they were used to just being a brick and mortar, go into the store and you purchase. And the more and more we evolve, the more things are getting online. There's a higher demand, people want it immediately. But that wasn't really what the economy wanted and needed. That's Toys R Us. Thanks so much for watching. Hey, if you went to Toys R Us when you were a kid, let us know.
And at the same time, if you have a logo or a brand that you want us to evaluate, please send it to hey@j29creative.com.
Thanks so much for watching. We will see you again next week.